The last of our snow. Woo. One long area of snow still here. And our little snowman still trying to hang in here. But it's time now to uncover my plants. See how everyone fared out. All the snow that we had. I had to rebuild my both of my hoop houses. The snow was too heavy, caved them in. Look at this. Still have snow on top of here that brought it down. Okay. Let me get busy checking out my garden beds. Hopefully everything survived this snowstorm we had. This is my collard green bed here. And I just had the shade cloth over it. So far, y'all looking all right. Okay. We'll have some snow over here. But look at you. Green leaves still looking beautiful. Okay, collard greens. Finish taking this shade cloth off and fully see how y'all made out. Collard greens made out all right. Okay, get some of this sun today on you. Let's pop back out. Looking beautiful. Okay. Made out all right. Great. Well, let me see what my mustard greens look like now. No, my mustard greens didn't fare out as good as the collard greens did. They still look like they kind of frozen. Okay, I may have to just take all of these up. Just sow some more seeds over here. I see the red mustard green that's coming up. The rest of them is not growing big yet. Okay, mustard greens. Let me clean this bed out and try to start over with the mustard green. Okay, let me check on these collard greens over here that I've laid plastic covering over on them. Hopefully they made out all right. Looking like they made out all right. I had put netting over it before I put the plastic. Look like y'all did pretty good. Let me get this netting off of it and see. Y'all close up. Oh, these collard greens over here made out all right. Yes. These over here too that I had the pots, container pots over the top of them. They made out all right through the snow as well. Okay. I'm gonna enjoy the sun today. Next garden bed. Let's see how y'all fared out from the snow. Okay. Oh, this bed made out pretty good. Okay. Okay, I see my cabbage still growing there. Look over here, I see garlic is coming up. Look at that, the garlic. Okay, garlic, come on. And my broccoli over here is looking wonderful. Look at those beautiful green broccoli leaves here. My green beans that I did put out, they didn't make it. They froze. I see a few of them that grew over here, but they died out. Too cold for it. But look at my broccoli. Come on, broccoli. Grow for us, broccoli. Okay, let's see what this garden bed looking like that I had put another shade cloth over. This should be collard greens and mustard greens growing in here. Collard greens look better than the mustard greens. Mustard greens still look like they frozen. They don't survive in the cold good at all. Okay, mustard greens and collard greens. Let me clean up this bed here, pull out some of the dead mustard green leaves. Collard greens, y'all, look great. Look at my curly kale. It survived. Move my greens over here. But it's time to pull up this eggplant. It didn't survive the cold. Let me see how I'm gonna tackle this hoop house over here. Gotta see how my cabbage are doing underneath all of this covering. Still got snow on it too. Well, my lettuce over here look like it survived. Okay. And my cabbages, they're still looking good right here. The lettuce right there don't look too good. And my poor cabbages over here got smashed from the ice snow that brought the hoop house down. It smashed it in. But hopefully the sun coming up, yes, sprout back up and continue to grow. Okay, my garden bed over here held up pretty good. Come on, lettuce, sprout back up. So far, my plants out front survived the snow. They're still looking green and beautiful. Taking the covering off. Okay. Get some sun on you guys.